Look at that, 62 Ford Falcon 2-door wagon with a 200 cubic inch straight six out of, we believe, a 66 Mustang. I think we figured it out, or something from the 66. It's definitely a 66 year.
Yeah, don't look at the crap in the garage.
Yeah, don't look at the rest.
Don't comment on that.
But hey, do comment, like, and subscribe. If you're really liking this content, hit that little bell. You hitting the bell?
The bell, yeah. What?
Ring the bell?
Ding, ding. Dinner?
Dinner? Oh, hey, go ahead. Look at that. It's cool.
Wipers work.
Wipers do work. Comment if you've seen these on the road before. I don't think I've ever seen a 2-door version. Not personally. I've been to a lot of car shows.
I say 50 grand.
50 grand? You buy it? I'll sell it to you right now.
No.
Oh.
I say sell it for that.
Oh, sell it. You want me to sell it to somebody else? Huh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's, you know, a couple more things, it's ready for Barrett Jackson.
Oh, easily.
Uh-huh.
Hey, throw a little shine on it?
Yeah, maybe
no problem.
Maybe a couple seats.
Yeah.
Little shine juice.
There's the nicest truck in the facility.
Look at this.
Hey. Watch this launch. All right, Brushfire Bells is on a new adventure. We're gonna go pick up something special, maybe a classic Ford is what it's looking like. So go ahead and watch this video. You're gonna wanna see this. The Duramax is all lined up. Looking good, looking hot. Speaking of looking good and looking hot, say hello. All right. 62 Ford Falcon, all right. It is in our possession now. Look at that thing. It's not bad. More parts than we know what to do with. Inside the car, back of the truck. It's got a 200 cubic inch. 200, yeah, you heard it right. Straight six with true duals. Wait till we see what we do with this thing. V8 swap maybe? You never know. All right, so we brought it back. We actually brought it back a couple days ago. This video is a couple days in the making. I'll tell you all that. So the 62 Ford Falcon, pretty cool car. It's been swapped with a 200 cubic inch straight six, had the 143 in it. Previous owner said did not have enough power in that guy at all, so that's why he swapped it over. Today, JR and I are gonna go ahead and try and get it started. I've got some fuel line. You know, we don't have a whole lot. We have been charging up a battery. I mean, let's take a look under ye old hood. We are gonna need a proper up 6000. Not bad at all. Some cut wires here and there. We gotta figure that stuff out, but you know, I do believe that we had some ignition. We have had attempts at trying to start this so far. So we'll go ahead and see what goes on there. Nice Yelly. Has pretty much no interior like most cars that I own. That's hot. Does have a seat though. Yeah, I got a seat. Look at that giant tack. Yeah. Oh, dogs attacking each other. Nice. Nice dash. Definitely needs to be cleaned out in a bad kind of way. I don't think that's factory. Having wood for the seat mounts. So we're gonna have to, you know, dig into that. Pretty cool all in all though. Why do I have Christmas songs stuck in my head?
Oh,
the missile.
What? You want to put the clothes clamp on first?
Oh yeah. Like a professional, makes a lot of mistakes.
Yeah, that's why I asked you if it was your first time there. I went to school, Mr. Automotive.
Don't go to school, kids. It's a waste of money.
I went to community college. I know, right? Look at me. I mean, don't look at me. What was that?
Yeah, a spider or something.
How far are you going to put it up there?
As far as they had it, just to hopefully it doesn't leak.
Well, it's got to leak less than the burn me down things. Filters.
Well, could we get a longer screwdriver for these?
I was using this so you can get way down in there.
Well, I don't have to get way down in there up here.
Well, you should have brought 2 screwdrivers then.
Apparently.
You shouldn't have opened it up all the way.
Well, there's a little room here. Ow. I don't see you doing nothing.
I took it all apart.
I took this one off.
Oh, yeah, that was a real tough one.
Yeah, well,
No, I pulled that off.
You pulling something.
Okay, this one goes over this.
You and your fake comedy for YouTube. Fake comedy? Oh, no.
Turn it over for a minute. All right.
We getting fuel?
I don't know, because I can't see it.
Check the bowl. Hey, quit messing with my throttle.
There's nothing squirting out.
Hit me.
Okay, don't do it until I tell you.
Yeah.
Pour a little fuel in here. Oh, perfect.
Go.
Way too much.
Go.
Perfect. Go. Go.
Will it not stay running because of the keys not on?
No. Well, I don't know. Turn the key on. But the other thing is, it's not. It's no fuel.
Yeah.
I can guarantee you, it's not getting any fuel up in that carburetor. Hey.
Yeah. Well, why is there no fuel in the carb?
Well, here, get that screwdriver.
Oh God.
So we can rebuild the carburetor.
Do you have any oil?
Hey.
Yeah, you gotta smack it. Oh, go! I checked the other carb, it will not fit.
Oh, really?
Nah, hell no. Totally different base.
All right, try again. See, told ya. Yep.
The throttle blade doesn't even work.
Go again.
It's just stuck open.
That's the choke, you know.
Oh, is that the choke?
Yeah.
Throw a little more fuel in it.
Ah!
Is it hot?
No, pinch me. Okay, try again.
I said dump a little more fuel in it so it can keep pulling fuel.
I know, but we probably should make sure it's coming, you know? Hey, rebuilding.
Stealing other people's jokes.
What? Whose?
Yeah.
Way too much. Perfect. Hold on. I might have done the choke too much.
Well, don't scratch the paint.
Oh, it's that slightly.
You were saying about fuel? It run. I thought it was going to be honest.
All right, cut it. I don't know if there's any water.
Ain't going to get that hot that fast, is it?
No, but, you know, we might as well change the oil and...
Do we have any oil?
I don't know. I'd have to check. Doesn't matter what we use. It's 62.
Yeah,
right?
but do we have any oil? I'd use like a 1030 or something, but...
Let's check that.
That's not going to be hot?
You never know. Oh, I might see some water.
There's a little bit in there, not a lot, but there's some.
Right, yes, there's some. Yep. More noise.
It runs.
Yeah. You want to run it again?
We need to put. Well, we should start it right quick, and I'll shift it into gear and see if the prop shaft or the tail. Does it have a? I didn't even think about that. Does it have a tail end?
Well,
or
no,
is it
probably,
an internal?
It's probably in.
It's an internal.
Well, you still should be able to see.
You got to slide it in. Yeah,
you
I
can
might
still see it though, can you?
Maybe. You want to try it?
Oh, sure. At least put this over there to that.
Yeah.
Put the filter on, put it over there.
Yep.
Do we need
put another filter up top?
Do we need to? Do you really need to?
No.
Because one's coming in.
Yeah, that way we can save a filter if it goes bad fast.
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude, this thing fired right up.
Yeah.
Change the oil. I want to drive it.
Driveline.
Yeah. I wonder why the driveline was out. Maybe like you said?
Well, maybe to push it around.
Yeah.
See, I think this was a...
All right. Yeah, I know this video is taking a long time. You've seen me change shirts. It's hot. It's not because it's taken us 6 weeks to do this. Finally got them. We do believe. Amazon for the win. The U-bolts. So we can finally get this thing into the garage so we can do the rest of it. But the 62 is going to come to life. It's going to drive. We already know it. We're going to see it. Today is that day. Get ready. All right, getting up in here for the 16th time. We should, hopefully, be able to get this attached today. We shall see. Is today going to be the day? Oh God. Is today also not the day? Today is also not the day. Are you shitting me? Oh my. So what we're trying to achieve here, as we're stuck underneath the car, is we are trying to drill this out because every U-bolt is way too big. This one's the closest we've come.
You dirty. Hey?
After years of drilling, they finally hit oil.
20 years.
Somewhere there's a nut.
This should be a nut.
There's another nut.
Is it?
They will hold.
I see it. I see
We're
it.
only driving 3 feet to get it to the garage.
I see it.
Or his mom likes to call it a shop, but it's not a shop because it's only a...
Yeah, well, what if we want a burn tire?
Oh, I'm roasting the tires off.
What?
It's an automatic straight 6 200 cubic inch power of Fury Ford. Dust Stig would do it.
What's it called?
Last of the Interceptors?
Yeah. No.
All right, no more quick hoses for this girl. We are now going to set up the actual fuel tank. So, we need to cut some line, splice it in, make it fit, make it work. Coming at you. Fuel line's all together. There we go. Even got a fuel filter in there. Good one. What part number are we talking to?
3303.
3303, best fuel filter you can buy.
Is that what it is?
I don't know, something like that.
33003.
All right, let's see if we can't get... All right, ready? Yeah. With the key. Nothing.
Try again.
Still trying.
No.
Shows all the lights.
The lights are what?
The lights are on, but it doesn't work. Why didn't it start now? It started in gear earlier. Well, like I said, she runs. Gonna need new ignition. He's running. We're gonna do another circle. Another circle. Yeah. All right, and into the garage we go. Neutral. We made it. It's in. I can't kill it. I'm stuck. I'm stuck inside. Ah! All right, well, it runs, it drives. We had reverse, we had forward, we stopped. Brakes are great, actually.
Are they?
Yeah, brakes are fire. So
it goes through gravel?
It goes through gravel. Burns the gravel out.
Burns gravel? Didn't really, but okay.
Hey, it moved.
It moved.
It's got some spots. I think that's where I stopped.
Well,
so, anyway, we'll see you guys next time on Brush Fire Builds when we start working on the engine on this thing so we can actually drive it down the road and maybe work on that shift linkage because I'd like to be able to put it in park. So, we'll see y'all later.
I'd like to put it in.